So far we have learned how we have discovered the electron, the proton, and the neutron. But let's look at, how the atom is today. Well, what do we know that's definite now? Well, we know that this atom, here, I'll just draw a model atom here, has a nucleus. And surrounding it, all around here, are electrons. We really don't know where they are, though. They exist in something known as an electron cloud. But their exact location is not known. And in the next chapter, we'll learn a little bit more about electrons. But inside this nucleus, which only really makes up a small part of the atom itself, as most of the atom itself is comprises of just space. So in this nucleus, which I just said makes up just a small bit of space, we have protons and we have neutrons. So protons, as you remember, are positively charged. And neutrons, they have no charge. So they exist no charge. In addition, we now know something called quarks. So quarks are even smaller subatomic particles that make up both protons and neutrons. So that's something even smaller. This you really don't have to know as much because I don't remember this really being on the test, but it's just a fun thing to know. In addition, we typically measure atoms in picometers. So we know about nanometers. Nanometers are typically 10 to the 9th meters. But picometers would typically be about 10 to the negative 12. So you can just picture how small these atoms really are. In addition, today we have learned, since J.J. Thomson and Ernest Rutherford, we have learned about something known as isotopes. So what isotopes are atoms of the same element, right? But they have a different number of neutrons. So say, we had hydrogen. Well, it still maintains the same number of protons, right? So proton number stays constant, right? Stays the same. But the number of neutrons changes, equals change, right? So let's kind of look into further about hydrogen a little bit more. So hydrogen really has 3 isotopes. Okay? They are known as protium, which has 1 proton. So it has 1 proton, but it has 0 neutrons. 0 neutrons. The next one is deuterium, which has its 1 proton, but now it has 1 neutron. And the final one is deuterium. So this one has 1 proton, but it also has 2 neutrons. That's all we really know about the atom today and just kind of what you need to know for the test. We know a lot more, but this is, like I said, everything you know for the test. This is Christopher Zuthing, though, signing off for the day. Have a great day.